down. Standing line. Say standing line. Up to down. Up to down. All of you standing line. Standing line. Standing line.
Open.
Very good. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Very good. Standing line. Standing line. Very good. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Very good. Clap for Tushani. Standing line. Standing line. Okay, next C. C for very good. Say loudly, children. Tiger. No. C for cat and C for cake. K. Say everyone, children. Rishika, say. C for cat and C for cake. Next, D. D for what? D for? Huh? dog.
D for dog. What then?
What I am asking? No, they are asking me what. D for dog. D for dog and D for doll. D D D D D D. Say everyone, children, open your mouth. Children, Suhansh, Rishika. Next letter E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. E e e e e. Next letter F. F for fish. F for fish. Say loudly. Say loudly, children. How was the fish? Fish. F for fish. And F for frog. Frog. Okay. F for fish and F for frog. Everyone.